guys, Adam North here, 2015 Melbourne Barbecue Festival, smoke in the air, it's all starting to happen, let's get involved. Mate, you must be wrapped. Look how many people there are here.
Oh, look, it's amazing. Melbourne's really thrown their support behind us today, and the masterclasses were amazing. You know, it's a really good opportunity for people to ask questions, and it was a small enough environment to be really interactive. And look, it's been close to 2 years in the making, and it's really exciting that it's finally here.
It's just been wonderful, you know, to see these teams come together. The people, I've never ever seen a contest this big, the first event. I'm telling you, you've got teams here right now that can get on an airplane, fly to America, cook in the biggest contest ever, and still do well and represent Australia very well.
What are your thoughts on the barbecue festival so far? It's been a bit of fun.
Oh, look, it's absolutely brilliant. I think it highlights a number of things. It sort of highlights how far Australia generally is behind the barbecue in one sense, but how eager we are to catch up.
First up, we hit Victoria to check out Melbourne's steak scene. Next, we flew north to Queensland, visiting some brilliant steak pubs. I was also lucky enough to visit the Blue Butcher in Hong Kong. New South Wales had some epic venues with some epic views. We also headed to Adelaide and the Barossa in South Australia. Our friends in Tasmania showed us their steaks too. We finished things up in Victoria, finishing at San Telmo and Entrecote.
The calibre of the competitors today was amazing. Everyone was sharing each other's food, and we got shocked by how good their food was, so we were stunned.
Alright guys, it's been a massive weekend. There's been 1,000 beers drunk, 1,000 glasses of wine, so much barbecue. Congratulations to the winners and all the teams. Massive effort. See you all. Melbourne Barbecue Festival 2015.